Seeing Apple ID disabled or locked on your iPhone or iPad. You can't sign into Apple services, which is frustrating. In this video, I'll explain why it happens and how to fix it. Part 1. Why is my Apple ID locked or disabled? Common causes of Apple ID being disabled. Too many wrong password or security attempts. Inactive Apple ID for a long time. Frequent changes to ID or password triggering security alerts. Part 2. What to do when your Apple ID is disabled or locked. Method 1. Reset your Apple ID password at iForgot. Apple.com. Open Safari on any web browser on PC or Mac. Then visit iForgot. Apple.com. Write down the details about your Apple ID according to the on-screen prompts. Then, click Continue. Choose one way to reset your password as the below picture shows. Then click Continue button to next step. Turn to your email account and check for the recent email from Apple. Find and click Reset Now link to set your new password for Apple ID. After entering the new password in the blank area, you can click Reset Password to confirm the modification. Method 2. Reset Apple ID using a recovery key. If you have a recovery key created before your Apple ID was locked, use it with a trusted device to set a new password. This works when other reset methods aren't available. Method 3. Contact Apple Support. If you still can't unlock your Apple ID, contact Apple Support via phone, chat, or email. Go to getsupport.apple.com. Apple ID disabled Apple ID to start the process. Verification may be required. Method 4. Unlock Apple ID with iOS Unlock. Most methods to remove an Apple ID need iTunes or the password. With iOS Unlock, no iTunes or password is required, just install it on your PC and remove the Apple ID in seconds. How to remove an Apple ID without a password using iOS Unlock. Step 1. Open iOS Unlock after installing it, then choose Unlock from the main menu. Step 2. In the next window, pick Unlock Apple ID if you want to delete the Apple ID from your device. Step 3. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust on the screen so the device can connect to your computer. Step 4. Be aware that this process will erase all data on your iPhone. It's strongly recommended to back up your data first, then click Unlock Now and confirm again by pressing Unlock on the warning pop-up. Step 5. You'll now be asked to reset your iPhone. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Step 6. After the reset, your device will restart and iOS Unlock will begin removing the Apple ID automatically. This may take a few minutes. Step 7. Once the process is done, you'll see a confirmation message showing that the Apple ID has been successfully removed.